There's like, give me a lot of food, but stuff going over there. It's like people's houses. Weird. Where's my phone? Let's go for the better phone. This is why people take your future for granted. They really gave me some of this. Cocktail. 1 bottle of sugar-free ingredients added with glitter buckets. This is for like, I don't know what to wear, like for cocktails. And that's not how I drink alcohol. Sometimes. Sales recipe. Sparkling wine chill. Club soda, orange, or let me sleep. I have to make some of them. So here are some signs that friend me taking your friendship for granted. They only seem to get in touch with you. They need something from you, like favors or help. but do not recreate or check in otherwise. They can't overschedule plans frequently with little notice and do not make much effort to reschedule. They dominate conversations by mainly talking about themselves and their issues without showing interest in you. And they are not a good listener and do not remember important details about your life that you have shared. They do not make an effort to maintain a relationship through communication or quality time together. The friendship feels one-sided, and they make empty promises to do things together but rarely follow through. They only seem to reach out when it's convenient for them and only on their terms, without considering your availability or schedule. Thoughtful gestures like remembering important occasions or events in your life seem absent from their friendship, and they rarely acknowledge the care, support, or help you provide to them through words or appreciation. Spending time together always seems to revolve around their preferred activities without compromise. The friendship feels draining, and you are putting in more effort than the other person. Lack of priority and compromise are signs they may be taking the relationship for granted. So what I'm going for, guys.